Good afternoon. Chapter Integral, exercise 7.6, question number 1. Question number 1 is integrate the function x sin x dx. Okay. See the question, two functions are given. Product of two functions, then use bypass rule. Okay. So bypass rule, so you have to choose first function and second function. So first function and second function, x and sin x. So which one first function and which one second function? For that, the rule is...
Sir, x will be the first function and sin x will be the second function.
X is the algebraic function and sin x is the trigonometric function. Okay, so I let, so first algebraic A, then trigonometric T. So x is the first function and sin x is the second function. Okay. So, taking x as first function, x as first function and sin x as second function. Then, so first function x as first function, okay. Then first to write the first function x as a constant, then integration of second sin x dx, okay. Then minus sign, minus d by dx of first function x, d by dx of x into integration of second sin x dx. Okay. Now overall again
Integration.
yes, integration. Okay. So this is the bypass rule. Now x sin x integration is minus
Cos x plus c.
minus cos x. Okay. Then and integration of and derivative of x is 1 into sin x dx, that is minus cos x. Sin x integration minus cos x into dx. Okay. Now minus equal to minus x cos x, then minus minus plus cos x dx. Cos x dx equal to minus x cos x, and cos x integration is
Sin x.
plus sin x, sin
Yes,
x
sir.
plus c. C is integration constant. Okay. Is clear? This is the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So answer is minus x cos x plus sin x plus c. Next, question number 3. Two also same type, x sin dx. Okay. Number 3 then. Integration of x square e to the power x square e to the power x dx. Okay. So which one is the first function?
X square.
X square, algebraic function, and e to the power x is exponential. At last, I let, rule is I let, late, e at last. So x square is the first function. Take x square is the first function and e to the power x is the second function.
Second function.
Okay. So x square as a constant, right, into e to the power x dx integration minus d by dx of x square, that is derivative of x square first function into integration of second function e to the power x dx. Okay. Now overall integration dx by using bypass rule. So e to the power x integration is e to the power x only.
E to the power x.
So x square e to the power x minus and x square derivative 2x.
2x.
2x and e to the power x dx
E to the power.
integration. Okay. Now see this integration x e to the power x dx. So again you have to do this, okay, by using bypass rule. So x square e to the power x minus 2. Okay. So x is the first function, x
Yes, sir.
x e to the power x dx minus dy dx of x, first function, integration of second, okay, then overall integration dx, this integration, okay, at last bracket close. Okay. Now x square e to the power x minus 2 x e to the power x integration e to the power x only, so x e to the power x minus derivative of x is 1 into e to the power
1.
dx. Okay, this so equal to x square e to the power x minus 2 x e to the power
X
x
e to the power x minus 2.
e to the power x plus c. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we can write this x square e to the power x minus 2x e to the power x plus 2 e to the power x plus c. C is integration constant. This is the answer. Okay,
Yes, sir.
by using integration by parts. C is integration constant. Okay. Next question number 4. X log x. X log x dx. X log x dx. So I let
First function will be log x.
so first function will be
Log x.
log x. So log x is the first function because I let at first log then algebraic function. So log x is the first function and x is the second function algebraic. X is the second function. Okay. So log x first function log x into second function x dx minus dy dx of first function log x into integration of second function x dx. Now overall integration dx. Okay. So x integration is x square by 2. So x square by 2 log x minus and log x derivative 1 by x. 1 by x into x dx x square by 2 dx integration equal to x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 and x square by x is x dx x dx. Okay, so equal to x square by 2 log x minus x dx x square by 2, so half into x square by 2 plus c integration constant. Now x square by 2 log x minus x square by 4 into 2.
Plus t.
Okay. So x square by 2 log x minus x square by 4 plus c. This is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then question number 6. X square log x. X square log x dx. Okay. So log first function and x square
Yes,
is the
sir.
second function. Log is the first function and x square is the second function. Okay. So this is equal to log x into x square dx minus d by dx of log x into integration x square dx, then overall integration okay. So this equal to x square dx integration is x cube by 3.
Yes.
X cube by 3 log x minus log x derivative 1 by x. This into x cube by 3 dx integration sign. Then x cube by 3 log x minus 1 by 3
X cube by 9.
that is x square
X
dx
square.
x square dx x cube by x square. So equal to x cube by 3 log x minus
1 by 3 into x cube by 3
x cube by 3
plus
plus
3.
c. So equal to x cube by 3 log x minus x cube by 9 plus c. Okay. This is the answer. Okay. Next question number 7. Integration of x sin inverse x sin inverse x dx. Okay. So first to substitute this. Let sin inverse x equal to t. Sin inverse x equal to t. Okay. So sin inverse x equal to t. That means x equal to sin t. X equal
Sin
to
x.
x equal to sin t. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
dx equal to cos t dt. Okay. Then x sin inverse x is t. Okay. So t and x equal to sin t. So t sin t and dx equal to cos t dt. Okay. Now take half into 2. Then you can use the formula t into 2 sin t cos t. 2 sin t cos t dt. 2 sin t cos t dt and 2 sin t cos t is sin 2t. Okay.
Yes, sir.
t into sin 2t
dt.
dt. Okay. Now integrate
Yes, sir.
Kuiper's rule. So t is the algebraic function.
Algebraic function.
First function t. and sine trigonometric is second. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Equal to half into. So t is the first function. T into second function sine 2t dt minus d by dt of t first function into sine 2t dt. Okay, overall integration dt
Yes, sir.
this. Okay. Now half and sine 2t integration sine.
Minus cos 2t by 2.
Okay, so t into minus cos 2t by 2. Okay, then minus
Yes, sir.
and t derivative is 1 into minus cos 2t by 2 by 2. Okay, dt
Yes, sir.
and overall integration this. Okay, then half into half 1 by 4, so minus t by 4 cos 2t. Okay, then minus minus plus 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 4 cos 2t dt, so equal to minus t by 4 cos 2t plus
Sine 2t by 2.
yes sine 2t by 2 plus c. Okay, so this equal to minus t by 4 cos 2t plus 1 by 8 sin 2t plus c. Okay, now we have to put t value t. What is t?
Yes, sir. Sine inverse x.
So we can write cos 2t, we can write cos 2t means 1 minus, what is the formula? 2 sin square t. So minus t by
Yes, sir.
1 minus 2 sin square t plus 1 by 8 and sin 2t means 2 sin t into cos t. 2 sin t into cos t plus c. Okay. Now t. So what is t? T means
Sine inverse x.
t means sin inverse x. So minus 1 by 4 sin inverse x and 1 minus 2 and sin t is x. So x square. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have to change. So
Yes, sir.
1 by t to x because question is in terms of x only. So 1 by 4, 4 to the 8, that is 1 by 4. And sin t means x. And cos t is under root 1 minus sin square t. So 1 minus x square. Okay. It is clear? Plus c. So this equal to minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So
So your screen is not visible.
Yes. So it is minus 1 by 4 sine inverse x, no? Minus 1 by 4 sine inverse x
Into 1 minus 2x square plus 1 by 4
square
2
plus
root over 1 minus
x
x
by
square
4
plus 3.
x by 4 under root 1 minus x square, no? Plus c. This is the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Question number 8. Integration of x tan inverse x dx. Okay. X tan inverse x dx. So let tan inverse x equal to t. Okay. Tan inverse x equal to t. So x equal to tan t. X equal to tan t and derivative dx equal to
Yes, sir.
tan derivative
dx equal to tan t dt.
6 square t dt, no? Tan derivative 6 square.
Yes, sir.
So this equal to tan inverse x is t and x equal to tan t and dx equal to 6 square t dt. Okay. So now t is the first function and tan t second, 6 square t is the second function. Okay. Okay. So t is the first function, that means t, and tan t 6 square t second function, so tan t into 6 square t dt. Okay. Minus d by dt of t derivative into tan t into 6 square t dt. Now overall integration. Okay, overall dt into dt. Okay, clear it is? Okay, now first you do this integration of, now do this integration first, then you use this value tan t 6 square t. What is the integration of tan t into 6 square t dt? Okay, so this equal to, let tan t equal to, let tan t equal to z. Okay, then 6 square t dt equal to dz. 6 square t dt equal to dz. So this equal to integration of z and 6 square t dt dz. So there z dz and this equal to z square by 2. Z square by 2 and z square by 2 means z is tan t. So half tan square t. Okay. So integration of tan t into 6 square t dt equal to half tan square t. Okay, it is clear? Now t into, so this is equal to t into half into tan square t minus, okay, t into half into tan square t minus t derivative is 1 minus 1 into half tan square t, okay, 1 into half tan square t into dt integration of, okay, so this equal to t by 2 tan square t, okay, minus 1 by 2 tan square t dt. Now t by 2 tan square t minus 1 by 2, okay, and tan square t means we know sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, so sec square theta minus 1, that is sec square t minus 1, so 1 is sec square t dt and minus plus half dt, okay, and this equal to t by 2 tan square t minus sec square t dt, integration is tan t, half tan t plus dt integration is t, that is t by 2 plus c, okay. So now you have to put tan t value, tan t and t, okay, so convert t in terms of x because question is in terms of x, so it is, so tan t equal to, we know what is t and tan t, tan t equal to x and t equal to tan inverse x, okay, so tan t equal to x, that is x square by 2 tan square t x square, and t equal to tan inverse x into tan inverse x minus half tan t equal to x, half into x plus 1 by 2 and t is tan inverse x plus c, okay, so x square by 2 tan inverse x minus half x plus half tan inverse x plus c, this is the answer, okay, it is clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, then question number 12. X sec square x dx, x sec square x dx, okay, so x is the first function, and
Yes,
is the second function, trigonometric function, okay, so this equal to x first function as constant, sec square x dx second function minus d by dx of x into integration of sec square x dx, then overall integration, this integration sign, okay. Now what is the sec square x integration, sec square x dx,
second.
tan x, okay, so tan x minus x derivative is 1 tan x into dx, okay, equal to x tan x minus, and tan x dx integration is minus log mod of cos x. So minus minus plus log mod cos x plus c. Okay, so x tan x plus log mod of cos x plus c. This is the answer of integration of
Okay,
x sec square x dx. Okay, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
This formula you have to remember. All this integration formula you have to remember. And this formula is integration of tan x dx is minus log mod cos x, or you can write plus log sec x. Anyone you can write. Okay? Okay, it is clear? Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.